Good evening, everybody. How are you today? Well, I have about 10 or more, probably about 15 glossy boxes that have not been opened yet. And as everybody knows, I always give something away with every video. So, not necessarily going to be from this box that I'm going to open. Glossy box. But I will be giving something away, something nice. Either something for makeup, something for skin, something for hair. I will be giving something away after this video. Or at some point after this video. And what I'm going to do, here's what I'm going to do, okay? First of all, if you want to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this channel, okay? And make a comment down below, okay? And then what I want you to do is email me, because I've been having some issues with people not getting their notifications. Now, all you have to do is turn your notifications on, and you should get an email saying that you have a comment to your comment. However, sometimes people miss this step, and that's fine. That's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make it a little easier, is I'm going to put the email address to send to me your name. All you have to do is send your name and your email address, which I'll already have, obviously, because you're going to email me. And then I will be able to, whoever I pick for this giveaway is going to get an email from me saying that they won. And then you can send me your address, your mailing address. Sound good? Does that sound good? I hope that sounds good. Because I figure that way, if you really want to win something, if you really want to be in the giveaway, then it's not that difficult to just shoot me an email saying I want to be in the giveaway. You can tell me what you like. And also, I'd really like it if you put something in the comments too. It helps my page if people comment, so that would be nice as well. So you can comment and say I sent you an email or whatever you want to say, and I will put you in the giveaway. Then, whoever wins, I will send them an email, and they'll know automatically that they won. How's that? Is that a little bit better? I'm also going to announce winners in the next video as well. So if you miss the email or you miss anything, if you watch the next video, you'll know. Or I could decide to choose another person to win, or 2 people or 3 people. Who knows? I never know what I'm going to do. I never know what I'm going to do. So, if you want to win something, you got to play the game. You can't win if you don't play. So, send me an email, make comments, and in the next video, I will definitely either have emailed you or I will say your name in the next video. And if I say your name in the next video, then you also won something besides the person that I emailed. So I will definitely email somebody and let them know that they won something. But I just might pick someone else to win something else. But that will be in the next video. Okay, so let's get on with this glossy box, shall we? Okay, so we open up the glossy box. We always have our interesting pink box. Usually it's pink, sometimes a different color. I don't know which month this is, because I just grabbed this from the pile. I have, like I said, I have about 15 or so of them, and they are piled up in the corner of my office. And so we got our pink box, our glossy box, and we open that up, and we've got our ribbon. We open our ribbon, untie the ribbon, and we've got, oh, I already see some really wonderful items. Oh, wow. Oh, this looks good. Oh, look at this. Look at that box of stuff, huh? Okay. So, what have we got here? Invisibobble. Invisibobble. What do you think of that, huh? Oh, that's good. That'll be good for my hair because I always need something to tie my hair back. And this looks like, it's invisible. So I'll either keep it or I will give it away. You never know. And it's not necessarily going to be something in this box that I give away, so you never know. And this is wonderful. This I'm keeping because I use these all the time. Julep Love Your Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. There you go. Julep Cleansing Cloths. Now, again, I don't know what month this is. I don't know when this came out, but there's some good stuff in here. Check this out. After Spa Black Marble Facial Roller. Ooh, a facial roller. Let's take a peek-see at that. It got a little crushed somehow. I don't know how, because the box itself isn't crushed, so I don't know how it got crushed, but it did on the corner, but hopefully it didn't affect the product. I'll show you that here. Look at that, huh? Facial roller. Roll that over your face. Nice massage. Yeah. Oh. That would be a nice giveaway, wouldn't it? You never know. Let's see. Daydreamer. Your Dream Cleanser. Bloom. Here we go. Bloom Daydreamer Cleanser. Oh, we got all kinds of little things in here. Okay. Brightening Serum. We got this. Codex Brightening Serum. Okay, we got that. What else have we got in here? A well, I'm keeping this. I need this. My feet are so dry. A moisturizing foot mask. Oh, I like that. That's going to be nice because, matter of fact, I'm going to use this tonight. I opened the right box because we were coming out of winter and my feet get so dry. Despite the fact that I moisturize them, it doesn't matter. They still get so dry. 2 more items in here. Nope, 1 because I already showed you that one. Okay, 1 more item in here. Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Split End Remedy. It's for the hair. Yeah, check that out. There you go. Okay, so that's for that box there. Soon we'll have another one because I got to start getting through these and start giving away. We did have a winner with the last video. I want to make a note. I don't give away internationally because it ends up costing too much for shipping. I made the mistake of not saying that in the last one, and I did end up getting an international win. You know, the person who won was international. So I am honoring and sending that one. But from now on, USA only. I'm sorry for everybody else around the world. I'm really sorry, but it just costs too much to ship. However, if you like my products and you like certain things, I do have a store online that you can go to, and I'll put the link down below so that you can go to, and I have really great prices. So there's a lot of this kind of stuff, and there's jewelry, and there's all kinds of things that you may like. And this is really good because mask. I like the masks. I'm getting different types of masks for the videos because I think they look cool. So I apologize if you don't like masks, but I love them. So anyways, okay, so don't forget the giveaway. Don't forget, make a comment. Let me know you emailed me or whatever you want to say. Okay, you can say anything you want. Okay. Send me an email. Give them, that'll have your email address so that if you win, I will email you. And make sure you subscribe and watch the next video because you could be an extra winner. Okay? And if you want to check out my eBay store, and that'll be linked below, and who knows, you may find something you like on there for a really cheap price, for a good price. I have some good stuff on there. Okay. Okay, it's a wonderful evening. And the weather's finally getting warm, so let's go enjoy it. All right. Thank you for coming, my beauties. Stay beautiful.